Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing very well. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be all about how I customize my lace wigs. Now the wig I'm going to use in this video is from RPGSHOW. Make sure you check the description bar below for information on this particular wig. So these are all the items that come when you purchase your wig, including a hairbrush. So fresh out of the packet, this is what the wig looks like. What I do like is it's already pre-plucked and the knots are also bleached. Now in the wig, as you can see, it comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap at the back to help secure the wig. And this is basically what the wig looks like when I pop it on my head. So to prepare the wig, first I start by washing and conditioning my wig, and then I leave it to air dry. And this is basically what the wig looks like. I then cut out the combs because I personally do not like them in my wig. I feel the adjustable strap is secure enough. So I start off by pinning the lace wig onto the head mannequin so that it's nice and secure whilst I customize it. The first product which I do use is a foaming wrap lotion, and I basically put this throughout the hair to set and lay the hair in place. I then extend the parts because I prefer it's longer, and I use again more foaming lotion to set this in place. So next I part some hair in front, and this is going to be my baby hair, so the thickness is always down to preference. So I comb the rest of the hair away and I basically begin to pluck. It's that simple. So I do this so that the transition between my hairline and the hair isn't as bulky or thick. And what I do is I carry on plucking. Now you need a lot of patience to do this. Do not rush, but all I do is part further into the hair and then I carry on plucking until I get the desired look. I then begin to tweeze the part a little bit more so that it's more defined to my preference, and then I cut the baby hairs. So next I take this glued holding spray and I spray it onto my hairline and my edges. And what I do is mold the edges and style it to my preference using my fingers. You can use a brush to do this, a toothbrush to do this. And this, guys, is all the hair that I tweezed earlier just from this side. So I repeat the same process to the other side of the wig. So as I mentioned previously, guys, you need a lot of patience whilst doing this. If not, you're going to learn to be patient. Try not to over pluck because you don't want your hair or your wig to end up looking bald. You want there to be a true transition but not missing hair. So make sure you're patient. And basically what I do is I carry on parting and plucking till I get the desired look that I'm going for. As I did previously, I get the spray and I style my edges or the edges on the wig to my desired look. And for the stubborn hairs, I get the gel and apply that on so that it lays flat. So once plucking and styling the hairline, this is what the wig looks like. Now onto styling the wig, I basically get a curling wand and I lay this onto the hairline and onto the parts to help let the wig lay nice and flat once I put it on. I then blow dry the hair section by section. Now this takes a long time to do and I need to do it on a day that I have patience, but that's what I do to make it all nice and flat. I blow dry section by section. And then I grab the straighteners or flat iron and I then part the hair section by section again and keep on straightening it till I get the bone straight look that I desire. So this is what the wig looks like. A big transformation, I know. So next I get the elastic band and I sew it into the wig so that it's nice and secure. Then I cut off the lace in front. Make sure you do this section by section so that you don't make a mistake and avoid cutting off the baby hair. So be very careful whilst doing this. So you could either tint your lace, but I couldn't be bothered to do so. So what I do is I get my finishing powder, which is obviously the same color as my face, and then I basically put that in the areas where there is going to be the lace, which is basically going to be the hairline area. So this is how the wig looks like, guys, once I pop it on whilst wearing a wig cap. So you can see the transition up close. However, you can clean this up with a bit of concealer. I'm wearing this wig glueless. I haven't added any glue whatsoever, and it's still snug onto my head. I do really like how it looks like bone straight, and it's still got that flow and thickness to it. And this is how the wig looks like in its natural state. I wanted to show you guys. So I washed the hair again and I just put it on my head. Now this time around, I'm not wearing a wig cap and I have glued it on. I love how thick this hair is in its natural state. But guys, this is all I basically do. Let me know what you think of this wig. Rate it down below out of 10. And as always, share all your tips below. But thank you guys for watching, and I shall speak to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.